Tired of this place, I need to get away. It's time for me to go now, or I can't stay. No, 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 no. Just like any bird, I need to spread my wings and fly across the ocean, see what the new day brings. 'Cause I'm a seagull, yeah.
In the first verse of the song, the singer portrays himself as a free spirit. He does this by using the metaphor of a seagull, a creature untethered to gravity.
I can't stay on this cold little rock. No, it's time for me to go. My mind's made up. It's the mind of a seagull, yeah, yeah. 'Cause I'm a seagull, I got the mind of a seagull, yeah.
In this fascinating second verse, he talks about leaving a rock. The rock obviously represents a relationship which has grown cold and uninhabitable.
When I fly up in the sky, there's something more I seek. I wanna feel the warmth of the morning sun across my beak. 'Cause I'm a seagull, yeah, yeah. I got a beak, yeah, yeah.
In this verse, he talks about leaving the rock again with the relationship, obviously feeling the sun on his beak. The beak is obviously a phallic symbol. It's his
A seagull I will always be. Dive into the ocean, dip my beak into the sea. Oh, here we go now. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I'm a seagull, yeah yeah. I'm trying to lift this piano, I'm trying to lift it with my hopeless wings. Damn these feather things, oh no, 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 no. They're the curse of being a seagull, yeah, yeah.
I've absolutely no idea what he's talking about now.
One day I found this piano here, washed up on this cold little rock. Since that day I've been playing my piano non-stop. 'Cause I'm a piano playing seagull, yeah, 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 yeah.
Totally confused. He seems to be mixing metaphors here with the piano. What's the piano a metaphor for? Is that a lost dream, or what's the? Sorry, excuse me. We're just doing an analysis of the song. What's the piano a metaphor?
No, the piano is a piano. Yeah, it's literally a piano. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's just a piano.
Yeah, that's right, it's a piano, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is the rock a relationship that has grown cold over time?
The rock is just a rock.
So the beak isn't phallic symbolism?
No, no, the beak is not my no.
So this is just a song about a very musical seagull.
I'm literally a keyboard playing seabird that sings. A keyboard playing seabird playing my piano with my way. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Literally a seagull, yeah, who sometimes on people, yeah. La 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 la, ah ah, la 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 la, ah ah, la 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 la, ah 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 ah, la la. up, playing saber the same.